In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a split screen effect with two videos in CapCut. To begin, you need to go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device, log into your specific account, and take two videos from your gallery. First, you need to ensure that no clips are selected. If a clip is selected, tap the back button in the bottom left corner and then scroll through the bottom menu and click on Aspect Ratio option to choose your project's dimension. Then select one of your videos in timeline, and with the video selected, scroll through the bottom menu until you find the overlay option and select it. You'll find it between replace and adjust. And then you can use the corners to make the video smaller to resize it, or you can also use the pinch method and resize it. Then after, choose the other video and do the same. Simply keep the portion of the video that you want to in the split screen. And that's it. Then you can choose color, image, blur, or other brand background effect on your video. And you can also go to aspect ratio, then choose 16:9, which is a standard video. And here you can adjust both of your videos side by side according to your preference. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.